Stop by and take a look at the 2005 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, auto headlight on/off, leather upholstery, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.